Software localization are projects for the localization of iPhone apps, Android apps, etc. Whenever there is a new job, you'll get a notification, an email similar to this one. The email will always come from Icon Localize and never directly from the client. You will be able to see details such as the number of words, the payment, and you have a direct link that you can click on and go directly to the project. You can also log into your account in Icon Localize and click on Open Work. You will find the job there. We scroll down, we find the project here and click on it. We have access to the description of the project. We can read it again, that the client wants an informal style. So if you feel you have experience with the field of games and that you're the right person for the job, you click on Apply for this work. Okay, we are here in the project chat with the client where we can send him or her a message. You can explain why you think you are the right person for this project, that you have experience in localization of games. You can even say which games you have localized or ask the client to visit your profile. You can apply for the work directly by selecting the first option, apply for this work, and you submit. Or if you have questions or doubts that you want to have clarified before applying, you can click on Don't Apply Yet. In this way, you are not applying, but the client will get your message. You will find out if the client has accepted your application because you'll get an email from us saying so. You'll also get another notification as soon as the strings are ready for translation. We are in the project page again. We can see the Communicate with Client link. And also, you can see a link to edit translation. You need to go to each of the strings. You click on the string, go to Edit. You add your translation here, and once you're sure it's fine, you tick the box Translation is complete and save. Let's go back to the string. In case you have questions or the context is not clear or you need clarifications from client, you click on Start a New Issue. You select one of the categories, a subject, for example, context, and you write your question here for the client and submit. You can see the Submit button here below. You wait for the client's reply, and once you're sure, you complete the translation of that string. You can check the progress of the translation on the home page. You can see here we have done so far 7% of the work. If there is a reviewer, you will be able to see it here. It's important that when you finish the strings, you will see a button to click on to declare the translation as complete. Let's suppose you are the reviewer. You have access to the project in the same way as the translator, and you can also open issues for any string that you see there is some problem, whether it's incorrect translation or suggestions. You click on Start a New Issue, and the reviewer has the option here at the bottom. You will see a menu to select if you want to open the issue for the translator or for the client. The translator needs to respond, and you need to work as a team to provide the client with the best results. When the project is done, the client will be able to see the percentage here. He should see 100% complete, and if the client decided to have a reviewer, he should also see 100% reviewed. When it's like that, it means that the client can use the translation safely and that his project has been professionally translated and reviewed. Thank you for listening and following this tutorial.